All right, well, welcome back to the iWealth podcast. And today we are joined, obviously, by Mr. Brad. Brad, the question is this, tell me about the relationship between higher deductibles and higher net worth. How do those two things correlate to each other, between having a higher net worth and maybe having a higher deductible, or do they not necessarily correlate between each other? Teach me about that.
Yeah, so you're asking on the insurance side of things, right?
Sure.
Like the car insurance and homeowners and things like that, and deductibles.
Yep.
Yeah, I think it does correlate. And the reason is you've got the money in your pocket to pay for it. So the higher your net worth, probably the higher deductible you will have on your car insurance. So to give you an example, if you get in a car accident and a deer hits your car and it's $3,000 of damage, if you have a $250 deductible, you reach into your pocket, you pay $250, and the insurance takes care of the rest. That premium is more expensive. If you can self-insure a little bit, you have money in the bank to pay for it. Mm-hmm. If you go to a $1,000 deductible, your premiums are lower, and if that deer never hits you, every year you're saving more money.
Sure.
But you've got to be able to have the money in the bank to take care of it. So if you can self-insure a little bit, I absolutely believe in higher deductibles. Talk to your insurance agent. We don't, sell car insurance and property casualty type stuff, but talk to your insurance agent about that. And just run through the scenario that I just did. All right, I hit a deer, $3,000 of damage. How much do I got to pay you, Mr. Agent, in order to get my car back? Yeah.
So there is some correlation between people that have a little bit more saved up or a little bit more in their investments or in the bank.
Right.
That's liquid cash to be able to have a higher deductible and actually keep some more of their money for themselves.
Right.
Those two things are correlated.
It is correlated, and it can be significant. I mean, if you look at a policy that's $250 deductible versus $1,000 or $1,500 or something, it's a significant savings every 6 months on your car insurance bill, for instance.
Yeah.
So, but if you don't have a higher net worth, then you probably need that lower deductible because it's more painful to go into your pocket for $1,500 or $1,000 to pay it. So it does correlate that way.
Very cool. Well, thank you so much, and learned a little about deductibles.
All right.
Later.
You bet.